I just had to let you know you're
1 point, 1 finger flag from wrist. 2 points, 2 finger flag from wrist. 3 points, both arms means successful. Shut the clock is to reset the clock. Hit to head, initiate the contact to the head. Point pinch piece toward basket of offending team. Sign to stop the clock. Sign to stop the clock by foul. Sign to start the clock. Traveling violation. Illegal dribbling or double. Substitution from team. Sign to time out. Jump ball situation. Cancel the play or score. Visible count. 3 seconds violation. 5 seconds violation. 8 seconds violation. Blocking or illegal screen. Pushing foul. Illegal use of hands. Excessive swinging or sickle. 24 seconds violation. Backcourt violation. Charging the ball. Unsportsmanlike foul. Disqualifying foul. Double foul violation. 1 free throw. 2 free throw. 3 free throw.